Hi, I'm Dana Bomar, and I'm gonna show you this sultry, foiled, sexy eye using the brand new Rust eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with Antique in my crease. I don't have much lid space, and I don't have much of a crease, so I have to take my crease color really high, otherwise you won't be able to see it. I'm gonna take the same color and go along the lower lash line also. I'm actually gonna jump really far over to Mar. I'm gonna put this in my crease. I like to apply my crease color with my eye completely open so that I can see what it will look like with my eyes open. Again, if I apply with it closed, once I open it, it might be completely gone. I'm gonna take a smaller brush with the same color Mar. I'm now gonna make this even smokier. I'm gonna use the brand new Burnish gel liner. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. These gel liners are unlike any other formula that's out there because you can use these as a cream shadow also. They're really easy to blend, and then once they set, they don't move. I'm gonna use the color Ravage all over my lid with my fingertips to give an oil slick look.
My lady.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna blend the edges. I'm gonna pop this color, Tarnish, right in the center of my lid. This is gonna give it more dimension. It's gonna make it look more wet. Extra moist. Now let's add liner. I like to use 1987 pencil in my waterline underneath my lash line. I do this for every look. It just makes the lash line look fuller and it fills in all the gaps between the lashes. I'm also gonna add this in the waterline on the bottom too. Adding black in the waterline on the bottom takes a look from something really soft to really dramatic instantly. I'm gonna do a little highlight with Classic on my brow bone, and I think I'm gonna put some on the inner corner too. On some lashes. One of my favorite things to do is add lipstick on the cheeks. I know it's kind of an old lady technique, but I like it. Gorgeous, darling. This is 1969 lipstick. And I always blend it out with my fingertips. I think it helps to have the warmth of your fingers. If you want to intensify the look even more, you can wet your brush and add a little bit more of Tarnish in the center. This is the final look.